I'm so happy to share this evening with you. And I just wanted to talk to you for a minute, you know, because I was thinking maybe there's been a time in your life when you really had something important to say to someone that you loved, but they didn't really know you felt the way that you feel about them. But you were trying to gather the words and figure out how you can let them know. So in your mind it was all correct and it was all done the right way and it was perfect. But then you came back to reality and you were worried. Maybe it wouldn't be just right. So if you ever felt this way, if you've ever felt this way before, I think maybe there's some words that we could say that would work. I mean, maybe if you just tell the truth, maybe we should just say, you know, baby, baby, baby.